And we gotta warranty these wheels now that he's damaged them. This is gonna be a fun one.
That's a big thing, bro. Like, I was being recorded and everything. It's gonna ride like factory, but it's gonna look like we did it, baby.
You don't have much to work with back then. Just a hammer. Italian engineering, man. I gotta look down.
I need to speak to the owner.
There's no owner.
Factory and the dealer to the wheeler, baby.
There was a nail. He went to the mechanic shop. He didn't have the proper tools, so he did an outside plug. But he wanted us to do an inside patch. Like, we don't sell like fake 4G autos here. I have other multi-spoke wheel options that is like a similar style, but we don't sell like China made.
I have in stock on a deal. I can do the sale and I can blow them out to you. I can get the car done in 40 minutes. Client came in for a flat repair. 2 minutes talking to me, 4 tires. He's gonna get back on the road safely, and he's getting a crazy deal because I got an in-stock set. We're gonna go wider, we're gonna give him an alternative size. I'm gonna move some inventory. He's gonna get a deal. I'm happy, he's happy. We're a happy family, baby.
Thanks a lot. Come back later.
This wheel was not like that when I balanced them. Show me the other one. So the whole thing is, like, this guy went to the dealership for a vibration issue after we told him that we're warrantying these wheels. And the dealer's like, oh, they sold you bad wheels. The thing is, when this car came back 2 days after we did it, I did this car myself. I know for a fact nothing was bent on this car. And we gotta warranty these wheels now that he's damaged them. This is gonna be a fun one. Right, I knew there was nothing wrong with the wheels being bent or anything like that. I knew that the issue was with the center board that was cut. That's why I got a new set of wheels for you cut. We as a company stand behind what we say, what we do. We're still gonna replace these wheels for you, right? I just want you to know that that's going to come at our cost. We're doing this just to ensure that you leave here happy, but I know that you were disappointed with the dealer telling you that we sold you bent wheels, which is not factual. And I'll be honest, about 75% of the people that get towed here from hitting a pothole say their tire just blew up on the highway and they didn't hit anything. Because they just want us to warranty their tire. Nobody wants to pay for these things.
No, I get it.
Right? Things happen, happens. Anyways, it's done, it's done. The guys are gonna get started on mounting your new wheels now.
No, I know about it.
Yeah, it's like the mine came back saying that apparently they sold them bent wheels.
Yeah. That's a big thing, bro. Like, I was being recorded and everything. And I just let him know, I said, I just wanted to assure you, like, we don't make this stuff, I just sell it.
Yeah.
But I'll back whatever I sell.
Yeah.
You know how much money you guys spend going out to buy food every day? No, I'm just gonna teach you guys something. Every little bit counts, bro. If you can cut out $15, $20 a day in savings,
Like $500 a month.
brother, the better thing is repurpose that 20 bucks you're gonna save every day into a automated Bitcoin buy or automated investment of some type. Bro, you compound it by the day, 20 bucks a day. It's nothing, but over 10 years, it adds up to a lot. 24-inch Giovanna Cabos XL Cadillac floater cabs. This vehicle does not have air ride, it has springs, but we have a spring kit for the platform. 2025 Escalade springs in stock, lowered, Toyo rubbers. It's gonna ride like factory, but it's gonna look like we did it, baby. It's Premier Tire, 416 rim guys. Let's go. You don't have much to work with back then. Just a hammer.
Italian engineering, man.
I know that.
So if there is any particular question that you want to ask the owner, I can answer that. His name is Carmen. So is there any question that I can answer for you?
I need to speak to the owner.
There's no owner.
No, she was asking because of the prices that I'm gonna give it to her. He was talking to me last time. He took care of me.
That's our job, to take care of people when they come in.
How's it look rolling? It's crazy, right? That's it, guys. Range Rover SV Sport, fitted spec lowering links, spacers, just what it needs to separate it from how it comes from the dealership. If you guys want your links, spacers, and your car done right, it's only one spot.
Sick whip. Listen to this exhaust. Factory, SV, Range Rover Sport, 2025. And the dealer to the wheeler, baby.
Oh, do they? Oh, fair.
That's it. Lil Wayne concert canceled, but we still having our fun, baby. Let's go. Let's go.
What's going on, Sticky? Reaping the benefits of being handicapped.
Let's go. Let's go.
EJ just over there.
He broke one of his 3 legs, he said. But I know the way you like to work harder, not smarter. So
Hard worker, yeah.
imagine if you work smart and hard at the same time.